I'm going to do one more example for this video. So I want to solve this algebraic equation. So I always start with the equation itself. So I got 7x minus 8 equals 3x minus 16. And I'm just going to start with the solving stuff and take care of the reasons later. So first thing I want to do is I want to bring that 3x to the other side. And the way I would do that is subtract 3x from both sides. So I want to do 3x minus 3x. Keep that negative 16. And I want to do 7x minus 3x minus 8. You can move the 7. That works fine too. But I wanted to move the 3. Yeah, move the thing you want. So 4x minus 8 equals 7x minus 3x is 4x. 3x minus 3x, that's gone. So I got negative 16. And I want to keep solving. I want to get rid of that negative 8 and this 4. So I'll get rid of the negative 8 first. So I'm going to do 4x minus 8 plus 8. That'll make it 0 equals 16 plus 8. My cat just jumped up on the table. I don't know if you could hear. Oh, there's her shadow. She's here. 4x minus 8 plus 8 equals negative 16 plus 8. So now I just got to simplify that down. Negative 16 plus 8, that's negative 8. Negative 8 plus 8, that's 0. So I just got 4x left. Then I got to divide to get rid of that 4. So I'll divide that 4x by 4. But then I got to divide the other side by 4. And so then I'd get just x equals negative 8 divided by 4. That's negative 2. And I got some extra boxes on the bottom. Cool. So maybe you spaced yours out a little bit better. Maybe you solved it in a different order. It don't matter. Do you. All right? But you know what you are going to do? Very first thing you're going to write given. Given's always the first step in these proofs. I'm going to fill in my simplify steps because those are easy. So here I tacked on that negative 3, so that's new. But then I simplified right here. So this is a simplify. And then here I tacked on those plus 8, so that's going to be something. I don't know what yet. But then I added that together and added that together, so that's a simplify. Here I tacked on the divisions, but then here I simplified. So where I'm just kind of like doing that division, doing that addition, doing that subtraction. And then let's see what we got. So here with these minus 3s, what I'm doing is I'm subtracting 3 from both sides. So that is my subtraction property of equality. Then I simplified, and then right here, I added an 8 to both sides. So that's my addition property of equality. And then the final step that I had to do that I haven't written anything for is right there with that division. So that is my division property of equality. When I'm writing in that division, that's where I say division. Where I do the division, I write simplify. So division property of equality. And that's done. There's other ways to do these things, but you want to make sure that whenever you're tacking in something new, whether that be division, whether that be addition, that new thing that gets tacked in needs a particular property. As you're doing that simplification, you want to just write simplify for each one. And your first step is always going to be given. Make sure you clearly write out each step so that you know where to put those different properties. Don't take like solving shortcuts on these ones. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.